How to earn money in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money on Canva. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Canva account, and you might be wondering, how can you really make money with Canva? You can design stuff, but how can you end up making money from the stuff that you design, or how can you make money with the overall platform? Well, it's a very simple and easy process. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto canva.com/affiliates. And what you can do is you can just click on join now over here and you can join their affiliate program. And what you can do is basically just register as an affiliate, promote their Canva Pro. So you're just going to promote the Canva Pro affiliate program, and then you're just going to share your tracking links, or you're just going to get a link that you're going to share. And once someone signs up for Canva Pro, so if someone buys Canva Pro via your link, you're going to be getting a cut out of the payment. So usually you get around $24. That's like an estimate amount from every time someone signs up for Canva Pro. So anytime anyone purchases Canva Pro, you're going to be getting $24. And I think that is a pretty amazing deal. It's pretty good. And I do think that you can make a lot more money with Canva promotion. So you can promote this on Facebook, you can promote it on any other website that you want, you can promote it on different social media platforms, you can promote it on Behance and other platforms like that. And you can like create designs with Canva and use them to promote the Canva Pro version. So that is the first way of making money. That's like the affiliate program. Most websites to most softwares have a affiliate program, but other than promoting Canva Pro as an affiliate, how can you make money other than that? Because that's like one way, okay? One way. Even if it's a great way to make money, it's still one limited way. There must be other things that you can do. Well, there are definitely other things that you can do to make money with Canva. Now, starting off at number one, you can create Amazon KDP books. So you can see over here, if you go on to kdp.amazon.com, it has like Kindle Direct Publishing. So where you only upload the PDF or PNG version of your book and they just print it. And whenever you sell that book or that journal, whatever it might be, they actually print it out and send it to the people that ordered it. So all you have to do is design the book. And you can easily design books using Canva. So if I go on to amazon.com, I have this little book, and this has been designed using like a simple design tool. It has been like pretty much like designed, and then Amazon KDP is going to do the fulfillment. This is going to be the journal. It's like a journal, and all you have to do to create a journal like this is design like a couple of pages, 5 to 6 pages, and that's around it. Once you design those few pages, all you have to do is fill it out with empty blank pages, white or whatever color you might want. You can just fill out those pages and you're gonna be ready to go. So you can see, just like this prayer journal over here, you can create a simple journal using Canva, and I'm going to show you guys like a quick overview of how you do that. So you're just going to go on to kdp.amazon.com, and you can select all of the descriptions for how you want your journal to look like, how many pages, all of that stuff. So you can enter all of that, you can calculate the dimensions, and then you can download the template. Once you have downloaded the template, you're just going to enter those dimensions over here. So I'm going to add a 6 by 9 inch canvas, and I'm going to go into inches, 6 by 9 inches. And I'm just going to click on create new design. And what you're just going to do, like I do have detailed tutorials on how to build specific KDP journals, and make sure to check them out if you want to know more about how to create the journal. This is 6 by 9, so the height and the width needs to be multiplied. The width needs to be like 2 times, so you're just going to click on create new design. It's going to be 12 by 9, and then you're just going to go into your upload section. You're going to upload media, and you're going to upload the template that you downloaded from Amazon KDP. You're going to expand it to fit this size, and if you did your measurements correctly, it should fit like perfectly like so. And once it fits perfectly, you can just click on this. You can decrease the transparency, and then you can go into the element section, and then you can start designing your book cover. So you can just search for painting, and then let's say I want to make this. I'm just going to flip this image, flip it horizontally. I can just place this image as like the background of my notebook journal, and then I can also decrease the transparency just so I have better guidelines in the back. And then I can start designing my journal, and that is how easy it is to create a journal using Canva, or create any kind of book using Canva. If you want to create like a ebook, you can also do that. And to create a ebook, you can just go onto the search bar, just search for magazine, and to create your ebook, just search for magazine cover, and then you're gonna find so many different gorgeous looking templates. You can use any of these templates to start designing your ebook. And you might be wondering, how do I make a ebook out of a magazine cover? Well, I do have a sample to show you guys that I used. So you can see over here, I used this magazine layout, and what I did was I changed up the images and I edited all the text, and this is how my ebook look. It looks very professional, it looks very cute, and you can follow this as well. You can just go into that magazine template section, and you're going to find a lot of great designs that are going to be useful to you. So you can use like any one of these designs that you like. There are like so many different options you have, and once you replace the images, they can easily be converted into a ebook. Now, what is the other way that you can make money with Canva? So you have Amazon KDP, you have the affiliate program. How else can you make money with Canva? So another great way to make money with Canva is by logo designing. So you can go onto a platform like Fiverr or Upwork and you can start designing logos for money. And once you go, like, let's say we go onto Fiverr and we search for a logo, and you can see there are so many people providing logos and they're starting at $20, $30, $40. And if we search on Upwork, you can search for a logo and hire professionals and agencies, and you can see these people are providing their work. They're searching, like, they're providing their services for $30 an hour, $36 an hour, and designing one logo usually takes 1 hour. So you can just offer your services on any of these freelancing platforms. And once you get a booked for designing a logo, all you have to do is go on to Canva. You can search for a logo over here, and once you search for a logo, you have these simple little canvases. You can pick one out, pick one of these templates out, or you can start from scratch as well. So you can click on create blank logo and you can start designing. So let's say I have like a nail salon a logo that I need to create. So I would just select this canvas. I'm going to change up the color over here. So I'm going to convert it into a light little pink like so. This light pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the element section. I'm going to search for nails and I'm going to go into the graphic section and I'm going to add these little cute handprints like so. And you can even expand a singular image and then lay out some text on the top. So I'm just going to add this one image and I'm going to remove the bottom graphic that I added. So I'm just going to place this over here and I'm going to expand it like so. And you can change the color of these graphics as well from the top left over here. But I think this color is actually pretty fitting. It looks pretty good with the overall background color that I chose. And I'm just going to place this right at the center of my canvas. I want this to be centered. So this is centered, but I want this to be like at the exact center. I'm going to expand this image out a little. And I am just looking for a perfect little center. So I'm going to place this like over here. And once you have your little basic design, you can go into your element section. You can go into lines and shapes. You can give it borders. Like you can give it like a white lined border or a skin lined border over here like this. So I can just place it like so. And I'm going to do Command C and Command V or Control C and Control V. And then you can place it at the bottom as well like this, and you can make an entire square, and then you can just go into the text section and then you can use any of the font combos to add your little brand name. So let's say I'm going to add this text and I'm just going to cut this and I'm going to add nails salon, and I'm going to change the color of the text to this little brown color, or just go and open up and make it like a darker shade of the colors being used. And this is how easy it is to create a simple logo using Canva as well, and then you can sell it on Fiverr and Upwork. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.